Good morning, children. Today is our subject maths and today is Saturday. I am explaining today activity book. In activity book, first chapter, shapes around us. Shapes means you know now rectangle shape, square, cube, cuboid like that. Shapes around us. See in the first page, that means page number 4, draw a brick in such a way that any three of its faces are visible and color its faces. So in this box you have to draw the brick. Brick means you know na brick. In cuboid shape we have brick. So three faces we have to like this you draw and shade. Three faces it should be visible like this. Three faces it should be visible. Next draw a cat-like figure using circles and color it. Draw a cat-like figure. Figure that means a cat or teddy. Any figure you have to draw. Draw cat-like figure means like this. Like this you draw. That means circle shape. It should come circle shape. Draw a cat-like figure using circles and color it. So like this, some figure you have to draw using circles. Circles you have to use the shape circles and color it neatly. Next, draw two circles with same center but different radii using bangles. Use the bangles and draw two circles. See, look here. First one circle I draw. Two circles means first one circle I draw. Within that circle I draw another circle. With same center means for these both circles center is same. For these both circles center is same. So like this you draw in this picture two circles using bangles. Bangles with the help of bangles. Draw two circles. Circles within circle with same center but different radii. Different radii we will get. Next see, draw any closed shape and draw any open shape. In fourth box, draw any closed shape and draw any open shape. Means closed shape means like this rectangle. This is closed shape. And open shape means this is open shape. Like these pictures you have to draw it and neatly color it. So see the next page. Here cube is given. Here cube is given and some blanks are given. We have to answer the blanks. See here cube is given. Now it is folded and made it into a cube. This net is folded and made it as a cube. And this cube has given numbers. Sides are given numbers. See here I am drawing here cube. See, this is like a dice, our dice. Cube is given. So here see, first blank, number on the opposite face of 1. Opposite face after opposite face to 1 means 5. So in the first dash, what we have to write? Number on the, here 1 is given, here 5 is given. See in that, you see in your textbook. Opposite face. Opposite face of 1 is dash. Opposite face of 1 is 5. 5. You have to write 5. Next see number which is at the bottom of the box. Bottom of the box, which number is here? Bottom of the box 3. The second dash you have to write 3. Number which is in bottom of the box means 3. In the next number on the opposite face of 3 means 2. You have to write 2. Number on the opposite face of 4 is 6. You have to write 6. So see here the faces of cube are painted with small shapes as shown below. Observe the cube and answer the given questions. Here cube is given. Some small shapes are drawing on this cube. Here see square shape, parallelogram shape, star shape, circle shape, oval shape is drawing on this cube. See first blank. Can you draw the shapes on the top and bottom faces of the cube? Yes, you have to write yes. Draw the shape that is on the opposite circle, opposite face of the circle, which shape is there? Star shape is there. So you have to write star here. And the face opposite to the face with square has dash shape. Opposite to the square shape, which shape is there? Triangle shape. So you have to write triangle here. Which shape you have to write? Triangle. Here you have to write star. Let's turn the page. See, observe the object in each box and paste the sticker of the object which is of the same shape. See here in the first picture, laddu is given, one sweet is given. It is in which shape? Sphere shape. So like that only some another picture you have to draw here. Like that sphere shape, another picture you have to draw here. For example, ball picture you have to draw here. Here in the first box, laddu is given. So same shape picture means ball you have to draw. Same. Next in the second picture, coin is given. Coin means it is in circle shape. Circle shape means which picture you have to paste. Here what she said, paste the sticker of the object which of the same shape. Like this same shape you have to paste. Paste means if you have pictures, paste it, otherwise you have to draw. Here bangle you have to draw. Here rupee coin is given. Same picture means bangle you have to draw. Here bottle is given. Bottle means cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape means some boxes or anything you have to draw. Here cube is given. Cube means dice you have to draw. Dice like that shapes you have to draw another pictures or you have to paste the sticker. Anything which one you like you do like that. Next here slate is given. Like that rectangle shape another picture you have to paste here. Here duster is given. Here egg is given. Like that same pictures you have to paste besides these pictures. Okay children, this is also your homework. Next see the pictures. See the page number 7. Here some cuboids are given. Observe the given objects carefully and shade their front, side and top views in the square grids given below. Here see picture is given. Here cube. See, this is the top view. Top view means we can see from the top. This is the side view. We can see from the side. And this is the front view. Front view means we can see from the front. This is the top view, side view, front view. Front view means, for example, this is cuboid. This is cuboid. For example, this duster is cuboid. This is the front view. That means we can see this from front. And this is the top view. This is the top view and this is the side view. Like this we have to see the one picture. Like this we have to see from three views. Front view, side view and top view. So here some cubes are given. Here front view means this orange color. Front view means this orange color. So here front view is given. You have to shade this orange color. Shade their front, side and top views are given in the above heading. So shade means you have to color it. Front view orange color. Side view means this green color. Side view means green color and top view means yellow color. Like this you have to shade. These four pictures you have to shade. See in the second picture. Front view means from front we have to see. Front view means green color is front view. Top view means blue color. Side view means yellow color. In this next picture, top view means yellow and front view means pink and side view means orange color. In the last picture, top view is brown color, side view is orange color, front view is yellow color. Like these colors you have to shade in these boxes. Okay children, you do this work at home today and this is your homework also in the activity book. Today's class is over.